Rahmani, former prosecutor, you know there's not such thing as a slam dunk, except sometimes with the feds when they've got a confession, 4 videotapes, 3 audio tapes, and 5 co-conspirators testifying. But that being said, how important, Neama, is this verdict going to be?
Extremely important. This is the case of the century. This is about race. This is about criminal justice, our relationship with law enforcement. I absolutely agree with Michael. And maybe the feds should take over this case, Vinny. The AGs took it from the DAs, the local guys, but apparently they're not doing their jobs. So.
No, you know why? Because John Roberts and the Supreme Court won't allow cameras in any federal courthouse. Even if the federal district court judge wants cameras there, Roberts and the rest of the crew won't allow it. So that's another rant for another day.
One of many things I disagree with this Supreme Court.
There you go.
You know,
Judy tonight writing, transparency is the key. It doesn't make sense that the prosecutors don't want cameras in the courtroom. This is not renewing our faith in the court system. Just makes people suspicious that there's something to hide. Aramis Ayala, state attorney for the 9th Judicial Circuit in Florida, which leads the nation in transparency. How's that working out for everyone down in Florida?
And well, I can say they're not wondering what we're doing. They may not like it. They may disagree with it. But at the end of the day, I believe that I serve the people, and the people aren't properly served if they're not properly informed. And cameras in a courtroom inform people where they don't have to speculate about what happened. They have seen it.
Our friend Pauletta tonight, is it possible the prosecutors may see there's been enough hate and destruction surrounding this case and may not want to continually fuel the fire? Maybe they're looking out for the best interests of our cities by not showing the trial. Just my opinion. Byron, which would fuel the fire more? A verdict after the nation has seen the evidence and heard the testimony, or a verdict where they don't know what took place inside?
A verdict when the public knows what happened inside the courtroom. So I'm sorry, Paulette. I disagree with you. I don't think they know what they're doing, and I don't think that they're doing it to save the city or do anything like that. I think what they're trying to do is avoid the scrutiny of the public. But that's exactly kind of what goes with their job, is scrutiny from the public. And I think that's why they're not doing it. There's no altruism behind what they're doing. There's just them trying to save themselves, I guess, in some sort of fashion.
Christina tonight, wow, this is a reminder of D.A. Cameron, who swore the grand jury decided against indicting for murder. Too much this year if you want to begin to heal the cops versus communities relationship. This needs to be public. Neama, where is that relationship right now? Police officers and the public members of the community.
Relationship is poor, and this is not helping it. You know, obviously prosecution and law enforcement are separate, but the public needs to have faith in their public servants, whether they're local DAs or AGs. And I think she's talking about not DA Cameron, but AG Cameron out there in Kentucky, who made a huge mistake in how he blamed the grand jury for his office's decision not to charge the officers in that case.
Joyce tonight, they obviously have their own reasons why they don't want the public to see the evidence, maybe because they know it'll stir things up and cause more